Assalamu alaikum, grade 9 computer science students. Today we will learn conversion from binary number systems to decimal number system. This is lesson number 6 and this is part of the series of videos that I'm making for chapter 1. Let's start. Okay, now we will learn how we can convert a binary number to a decimal number, or we will learn conversion from binary number system to decimal number system. We have an example and we will learn how we'll do it. The number is 11011100 and we have to convert it into decimal number system. So listen, how we will do it, we'll find the answer and we will write it here. Now the first thing, you have to make this table, and that is you will write 1, and what is the double of 1 is 2, the double of 2 is 4, the double of 4 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, and 64 times 2 is 128. Now you have to write it from right side to left. Next, you will write the binary numbers below this number, and we will starting writing from the right side. This thing is important. We will write it from the right side. Now look now. 0. So we'll write here 0. Next number is also 0. Then we have 1 and 1, and you have another 0, and you have after 0 you have 1 and 1. We do not have anything here, so we leave it like this, or you can write a 0 here. It doesn't make a difference. Okay, now you see, you will add the numbers that is corresponding to each one. So it means 64 plus 32, that is 96, and then you add 8 with that, that is what, 104, and then you add 2 to it, and that is 108. So how you do it, if we take the calculator, okay, and I show you here how we add it. Let's see, just quickly adding the calculator. See here. Okay, what we have 64, so 64 and plus 32 plus 8 plus 4, what you get 108. So what is the answer? You write it here, and that is our answer. So I erase this from here. I take the eraser tool, I erase it, and what I need to do now, I have to write here the answer. It is 108, and we will write the base 10. I hope you understand it, and for this you need a lot of practice. So you have these two examples, you can solve it first, and then at the end you will have a home task that will help you to practice more. Okay, let us do one more example and you will understand it better. Now we have another example. See here, 01111 0 1 1 1. Okay, again we need this table to make, and for this one, look here, 1 and then you double it. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, and 64 times 2 is 128. What you need to do next, you will write this number and you will write this here, and starting from the right side, look here how we do it. We take the color of the pen. Okay, I take another color. For example, we take the green one. Okay, look here. So we'll write this number 0. Then we have 3 ones. So I write 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Then you have 1 0. Okay, and then you have 3 ones. Okay, what it means now, I have to add all the numbers corresponding to 1, and I will ignore the numbers corresponding to 0. It means I have to add 128, 64, 32, 8, 4, and 2. Let me take the calculator again and we will do it here. Okay, see now, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. So what we get? We get 238. So what we will do here, we will write the answer here. 238 is the answer. I write the answer here, 238, and I will write the binary, the decimal base, it is 10. Okay, moving ahead, boys, you have to do now the home task. You have to convert these numbers into decimal. What you need to do is you solve it on your notebook, take a picture and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Do not worry if you get it wrong. Okay, you can watch the video again and practice again. I'm always available for help, and boys, you should not worry about it because you have learned it already in grade 8. I'm sharing my WhatsApp number again. Send a message if you have any confusion, any query, and even you can send your homework on this WhatsApp number. A piece of advice: stay home, stay safe. Thank you.